guys, this is Young and today is really exciting because I have a product that could be very interesting to you, especially if you start thinking about vlogging or starting YouTube channel. And the exciting product is Sony ZV-1. You guys have probably seen a lot of videos on ZV-1. I have as well. So today, rather than showing you all the features in one video, I will actually compare Sony A6400, which I'm using right now, and compare it against ZV-1 so you guys can see whether ZV-1 is a worthy camera for your content creation. So let me just switch it on by just flipping the screen and it automatically switches on, which is super, makes life so much easier. So I'm gonna use this grip, GPVPT2BT. Well, it's a weird naming system, but it's actually pretty good. You can tilt 80 degrees, 90 degrees this way, and flip like this. Even go vertical. So this is the battery that it uses. It comes in the box. I'm hoping it lasts for a long time because it's not a rechargeable battery. But this actually makes life simple. So let's go shooting. So right now I'm inside ZV-1 and you guys can see my Sony A6400 here, looking rather big. So in terms of portability, I think ZV-1 definitely wins. So this is side by side. I'm talking to A6400 and now I'm talking to ZV-1. Do you see much difference? For this camera, I do have that soft skin effect, and also for this camera right now, I do have like a mid beauty mode. So let's push it up to high and see whether my skin looks much more beautiful. And this is high, and you can actually change it while you're still shooting. Do I look a lot more beautiful this way? I don't know, but I think my skin does look much nicer. And the field of view, I feel it's actually really quite nice. It's wide enough, my face doesn't look too overwhelming. And right now the standard steady is on. So this is active mode, so I can probably run around with it. But it's so heavily cropped that I don't think I'll actually use it very much. And one thing I already like about ZV-1, and today's day one of using it, is how big the video shutter button is. Take a look at how small the shutter is for video. It's funny because I only use the video function of Sony A6400 and the button is so small. And with ZV, you can see the red light. It clearly shows that I'm shooting. So you will never miss a shot. Sometimes, you know, when you're doing a lot of different things for content creation, you can forget to switch on the button and so on. And one of the things about the zoom lens, it is humongous, but you do get those beautiful creamy bokeh. You can see that I'm actually standing quite far from there, but that means you get those creamy effect and you really can focus on my face and the camera. Actually, that squirrel is adorable. But don't worry, with ZV-1, you can actually push C1 button right here, so conveniently placed. And it's already having a defocus effect. I mean, okay, I'll switch off. So it's clear, this is clear, and this is defocused. So can you see a very nice blur background? How does it look like? Okay, so while focusing on Sony cameras are usually not an issue because it's really fast. But however, if you try to showcase some products, then it may not focus very well. So here, let me just proceed to. Now this is on. However, with ZV-1, and right now the beauty mode is high, so my skin probably looks quite nice. But if I have a product, then it focuses right on the product. Let me move it around. So now it's the B-roll time. Wow, it's feeling a bit hot. Okay, and I'll also do blurry background. Okay, looking good. So I have now 120 frames per second here, defocus on, and also product showcase is on. While ZV-1 performed fine, I thought A6400 with this 18105G OSS lens zoomed in to 50mm really helped the product stand out. But that's not to say ZV-1 did not perform well. You can see all these flowers and honeybees, they look gorgeous. I was really impressed how ZV-1 could actually track the moving subject while taking the video. So you can see even with the breeze, the flower in the middle looked perfectly in focus. Okay, so with ZV-1, I was a bit lazy, so I actually didn't try out my external microphone, which I use all the time. This is Rode Wireless Go. So I'm going to attach it and try to see whether the sound is any different, so it can give you guys an idea whether you need an external mic or not with this camera. Hopefully not. So I must say I actually really enjoy this camera. It's so small, it's actually easy to put anywhere. I can probably even use the Gorilla Pod attached to the tree or anywhere really. Just to show you guys what A6400 sounds like, I'm actually recording with the internal mic of Sony A6400. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, I only ever use external mic. And the battery wise, I feel like this ZV-1 and also A6400, the batteries are both so-so. I see 1 bar here, and also I see 1 bar 12% there. At least this one, it shows the number. So for Sony A6400, there's definitely the beauty of that interchangeable lens. For me, outdoor, I always use 18105. And for indoor, I always use Sigma 60mm lens. Oh, there is a... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry. There is a big caterpillar. Shit. Why is it coming this direction? This is the problem of filming outdoor. Okay, so right now I'm inside ZV-1 and indoor, just natural sunlight coming in, and this is at f1.8. And let me just quickly compare it to A6400 with 60mm f1.4. How is it different? Does it look a bit more brighter? Does it look more clear? So right now I'm back on ZV-1 with external microphone set up. I hope you guys found this video useful. I can see after today, ZV-1 is definitely sufficient for normal YouTube usage. And if you fancy using picture profile, then you have the option as well. And if you guys have any questions about ZV-1, then please don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!